Welcome friends. Today I am going to talk about the graphics card. But before going to that details, you must know some of the basic criteria of the graphics card. Graphics card is a unit that renders the image processing activity of any desktop or any laptop. So mainly there is two types of graphics card. One is the dedicated graphics and another is the integrated graphics. But which kind of graphics card do you really need? That depends solely on your activity or on your purpose. So at first you should be very clear for which activity do you really need a desktop or any laptop. If you are a professional worker and you work a lot with graphics like Photoshop or video editing activity, or you are a gamer, you play a lot of game, then you must choose the dedicated graphics. It is a unit that is dedicated solely for the graphics related activity, so it reduces the pressure on the processor or the CPU, and your work will be very much smooth with the dedicated graphics. But if you are normal worker and do not depends much about the graphics related activity, and then you can choose the integrated graphics. It is not that you cannot play any low level of games or movie or anything related to graphics with integrated graphics, because integrated graphics also is a graphics card that is integrated into the microprocessor chip, and it shares the memory with the processor. So that is the dedicated and the integrated graphics. So dedicated graphics card is the unit that performs solely the graphics related activity, as I mentioned earlier, and so it reduces the pressure on the RAM and the processor. So in case of dedicated graphics, you can smoothly do the graphics related activity with that dedicated graphics card. So there is many advantages of dedicated graphics card. One is that you get more sharp images and it is good for gaming. You are a gamer, then you must need a dedicated graphics card, and it is necessary for graphics related activity like 3D modeling, Photoshop and video editing like that. If you are a professional worker or you just need them, just choose the dedicated graphics card. But if you are not like that, then you can choose integrated graphics card, because it is the cost effective and it is just enough for everyday activity, for light gaming also, and it consumes less power. It is one of the main advantage of any integrated graphics card, because in case of dedicated graphics card it consumes more power, and I think that will help you to choose, and your memory and processor will be less pressure in dedicated graphics. So just choose carefully which type of graphics do you really need, and you can comment and like. If you like, please subscribe and share this video. Thank you.